Oh, hi. I know you. You have this hunger inside of you. It calls to you. Sometimes you lie awake at night, thinking about everything you want to do, all the places you want to go, all the things inside you waiting to get out, all the stories you want to tell, all the stories only you can tell. I know you. You are the descendant of 1,000 generations, no, 10,000 generations of storytellers, of adventurers, seekers, searchers, artists. It's in your very blood. Early mornings and late nights, thunderstorms and lonely ridgelines, deep forests and crowded intersections, vast deserts and bottomless oceans. These are your canvases. Storytelling is the lifeblood of our collective evolution. It's how we grow, adapt, and transcend. Each time we share a story, we carry forward the legacy of those who came before us and build a path for those who will follow. The power to shape our future is in our hands through the stories we tell. This is your life, your journey, your story. Now get out there and tell it. Yeah, I think I know you. Welcome to Adventure in Art. My name is Ben Staley, your resident talking head.